In this video, we're going to be looking at some real-life scenarios where we have compound inequalities. So looking at number 12, it says that the drama club is having a show and would like to make between $1,000 and $1,500 inclusive. Write and graph a compound inequality to represent their goal. So when I'm looking at these, I'm looking for keywords. So one keyword I see is between. So the drama club wants to make somewhere between $1,000 and $1,500. So that means they can make $1,000. They'd be happy with $1,200, $1,300, etc. They want to make somewhere in between those. And I also see inclusive. So inclusive means they'd be fine with $1,000 and they'd be fine with $1,500. So the keyword between kind of clues me in that this is going to be an and compound inequality. And the inclusive means that I'm okay with including those endpoints. So that means I'm going to have the less than or equal to and greater than or equal to signs. So I'm going to first start with writing out this compound inequality. And so since this is an and, I know the compound inequality is going to be 1,000 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to $1,500. And remember, I had those lines underneath there because I am okay, or the drama club's okay with having $1,000 or $1,500. And now to graph that, I have 1,000. I'm going to go ahead and just go up by 100. I have a little bit of room there, but that's okay. And so since these have a line underneath it, I know they're going to be closed circles. I'll do that above the 1,000 and 1,500. And since it's an and, they're going to go into each other. And so there's my graph. Okay, let's look at the next one. So problem 13 says, in a certain restricted airspace, airplanes must fly below 1,000 feet or above 15,000 feet. Write and graph a compound inequality that models the situation. Okay, so this one, it already gives you that keyword or, and it's saying that the airplane must fly below 10,000 feet, so that's going to be less than 10,000 feet, or above 10,000 feet, so that's going to be greater than 15,000 feet. It doesn't say it can be at 10,000 feet or below, it's saying it's below it. So that's why I have the strictly less than and strictly greater than symbols. And so to write that out, that's going to be x is less than 10,000 or x is greater than 15,000. So to graph that, go ahead and go up by 1,000s. These are strictly less than and greater than, so they're going to be open circles. To graph x is less than 10,000. It's going that way and that way. Since this is an or, they're pointing away from each other.